Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today we are going to learn how to learn Microsoft Excel from beginning. We would like to know a step-by-step process to get a job opportunities. Yes, is it easy or typical? And what the steps we need to take necessary to begin with? Yes, I'm taking this solution using ChatGPT AI tool. I'll ask how to learn Microsoft Excel, where to start, how to start. So here, if you are watching this video lecture first time, please do subscribe and support us. Let's see. Just now I asked a question to how to learn Microsoft Excel in ChatGPT. See, few of the familiar industry experts, what their views and shares I'll share with you. Along with this, what the point ChatGPT is also suggesting for us. Let's see. Learning Excel can be valuable for skills to help you many areas work, study, life. Yes, what the steps we need to take in care? Really, it's like familiarize yourself with the interface. First, you need to familiarize how to start and how to access Microsoft Excel with ribbons, tabs, menu items, and the basic understand where the different functions and tools are located and categories. The next one, learn basics functions. Starting with learning basic functions such as how to create, save, and open a new spreadsheet. Excel is also called as spreadsheet. And how to learn data input into the cell. What is cell? And similarly, what is the rows and columns? Format the data. How to use basic functions such as sum, average, min, max, these things. Yes, it's a really take a tutorial or course. So there are many free and paid online courses tutorials available nowadays to learn Microsoft Excel. It may be local community or colleges, adults or online courses. Yes, harisystems is also offering Linux and Microsoft Excel. Yes, Excel Scratch to like a 0 to hero course. You may find below description link this course. It's a completely online course, lifetime validity, low price. Check it out. The next one, participate regularly. The more you use Excel, the more data you are practicing with the hands-on sessions of comfortable, then it will be perfect. You are in the area of data and formulas. Utilize online resources. There are many online resources such as forums, blogs, and videos help you to learn more Excel. So you can also use Excel features specific questions and issues by joining the forums. Learn advanced functions of VLOOKUP, pivot tables, if, sorting. Such a functions will give you more data analytical levels. These all are advanced functions in Excel and making your data in statistical reports in easy way. You may be apply by learning these things as a data analyst. Yes. And use Excel projects. Reinforce your skills to create charts, graphs, maps, tables, personal work related projects. These all will give you hands-on experience related data scenarios. Remember, learning Excel process takes time and practice. Why? Because there are formulas are there and data you to be, and don't discourage. Find it difficult at first. Persistence of dedication, you become proficient using Microsoft Excel in all the way. Why don't you try today? If you feel this video lecture is good for you and yes, some points is there to understand and start learning in Excel, please subscribe this channel and support us. Thank you.